Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of eBay. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app, settings. In this list you will search about eBay and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.